Oh, God! This isn't what I wanted? So the first thing we're gonna do is blend this from beard into bald. I will be combing the beard constantly. You're gonna be hearing me say this throughout every video we ever do is comb, 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 comb. What I like to start with is the tragus. That's that little small flappy part of the ear. That's what we're gonna be starting with. I take my clipper, I put it open, so it's at a half, and I start right there, and I just go up against the grain. From there, I'm gonna close it up a bit, go a little bit higher, and start my blend. And then we work our way down, opening up the clipper. You have to use the corners, got some of those heavier spots. So the next step from here is I want to get out this harsh line that I just made. So I'm gonna take a 1 guard, pop this on, leave it open, brush that part out. Slowly closing it and just going a little bit higher just to get that initial line out. Now, a lot of times when I cut beards, you'll see I'm going with the grain. I tell people with the grain all the time. However, in order to get this nice blend, we need to go against the grain to get a nice tight cut. So from here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually open up my clipper, no guard, and I'm gonna go with the grain. As I said, I was gonna do a lot of with the grain. Again, combing, combing, comb. Don't be afraid, comb all the time. One, get all those knots out. I'm stretching the skin out, and I'm slowly seeing out. If you're looking at it, this is the vertical way. I'm seeing out of this, but I'm going the opposite. I'm going down, so I'm seeing out this way. So I'm blending it in by doing that. Combing, combing, always combing. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start doing freestyling. So what I do with that is I always leave my clipper at half. So I'm combing it out like this. And I get behind the client like this, and I look at where I want that to start to blend in. And just slowly kind of, with this beard, because it wants to keep it fuller, we're just following that line. So the next thing I'm gonna do is get my trimmer, and I'm gonna line up the sides so we can actually see what's happening in the back here. I'm just following the natural shape that the beard wants to go. We're just going in a little bit, getting some of those flyaways off in the back end. All right, so we're gonna go back to our trimmer, or back to our clipper, I'm sorry, and we're just gonna start to blend this now a little bit more. Going with the grain, trying to lay that down. So I'm gonna move to my trimmer. I'm just gonna blend out this top line for him. Stretching the skin, which is pulling the hair out. Using the corner just to bring it down just a little bit lower for him. All right, so we're just gonna do a little more freehanding on this side, just keeping it large. And just right here, you can kind of see it kind of flares away as soon as I start combing it out. And we're gonna get that done. I think we're good on this side. Oh, God! This isn't what I wanted? No, so I kept this full.
Yeah.
But this was killing me when you walked in.
Well, it's like I was just letting it rip because I wanted to trim it for this.
But this still has that bigness without... The other way I was going to do it, which I don't think you wanted, was like...
No. I want the
tight to the face. I want the fullness of this.
Yeah.
But still tame.